Hey students, Brother MacArthur here. Just want to do a quick little screencast for you this week. Um, as far as assignments, everything is the same as it has been in the past, so you know the drill. We are approaching a couple more weeks till the end of the semester, so I just encourage you to finish strong. And I just want to thank you for the work that you have done and for what you're doing. I wanted this week draw attention to what you'll study, because it is absolutely important for the day and age in which we live in. So this week during your study, please try not to, um, please try to make sure you have adequate time to study the topic this week. So church and state, you're going to study about religious freedom. I'll send you this week a link to what the brethren have been teaching about religious freedom, and it is incredible and fascinating how often and how many have been teaching about religious freedom and the need that you and I have to understand it and to defend it. And so try as much as you can. Don't feel overwhelmed by it, but try to understand as much as you can, even just a little bit more about religious freedom and what your role is, what you can do right now in your life to help in that. You're also going to have some fascinating studies here as you study a little bit more about this. And so I'm excited for you with your studies this week. And then disciple citizenship. As citizens, what is our role? How does it feel? How does it fit in regards to a disciple of Jesus Christ? What kind of a citizen would he have been if he was living here right now? We know what kind of citizen he was when he lived there in Jerusalem, but what would he do right now in our day and age? And so you'll understand a little bit more about that. And so I just want to bear you my witness that I'm so grateful that we have freedom of religion, and that it is something that is worth defending and fighting for in appropriate ways, of course, in our day and age to protect. It's something that allows, and not just so that you and I can worship in the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, but so that everybody can worship how they please. And I'm so grateful for that. It's a wonderful blessing that you and I have in our day and age. And I just testify that God lives and He's aware, absolutely aware, of what's going on right now in our lives. And share that in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.